Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and a rogue judge, he's about to face justice for defying the Supreme Court. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. Some of these district judges, I think they got elected president somehow. I don't know what is going on. But you have this Massachusetts judge, Brian Murphy. Now, the Supreme Court issued a ruling that President Donald Trump can continue his deportations of illegal immigrants to any country that'll take them. So if you came from Nicaragua and we send you to Sudan, then you're going to the Sudan. That's just the way it is. And the Supreme Court said this was okay. But Judge Brian Murphy, who was appointed by former President Joe Biden, who was approved in the last days of the Joe Biden administration, he says no. He says that his block on the United States Immigration Services doing that is still in effect. Now, there are a few remedies for this. The Supreme Court can issue something that's a direct memorandum to him that says you have to allow this. But another option that people are calling for right now is the impeachment of this judge. And he can be impeached, and he should be impeached. The guy just got there, and he's doing the bidding of his Democrat overlords. It's absolutely psychotic that a judge, approved by the Senate, not elected by you, but approved by the Senate, believes that he can do this. And why is he in there? He's in there because 4 Republicans just chose not to vote. They just didn't vote. Had they voted and voted against him, he wouldn't be in his position today. It's absolutely ridiculous. Now, I want you to hear the administration talk about this, and let me know what you think in the comments.
That can absorb some of the debt and deficit that's on the horizon.
Congresswoman, before I let you go, I want to talk about illegal immigration. You have the judge, Brian Murphy, who has blocked the Trump administration's deportation of 8 illegal immigrants, not just 8 illegal immigrants, those who have been convicted of murder, pedophilia, sexual abuse, essentially saying that these folks deserve due process. Now, this plane of 8 illegal immigrants landed in Djibouti, and they are now there until this is adjudicated. What do you make of this judge's decision, and what do you have to say to those who say that even the worst of the worst deserve due process?
Well, they didn't get due process. They didn't want due process on their way in illegally. They shouldn't get due process on their way out. They need to be deported immediately, particularly the murderers, the pedophiles, the child molesters, the rapists. They got to go first, and that's what Donald Trump is doing. But guess what? Judge Brian Murphy, he's not Secretary of State. He's not the President of the United States. He's not God. He does not get to override Donald Trump and his agenda to keep America safe. And so I hope that Donald Trump will keep deporting those murderers and rapists and do it as quick as he can, because we need to keep women and kids safe in our country. And these illegals who are here, and what I understand is some of these countries just open up their prisons and let these violent criminals come walk right into the United States of America. It's wrong, and we have the right to stand up for ourselves, our freedoms, our liberty, and our national security. At this point, it's a national security problem.
For those just tuning in, we are waiting for President Trump to speak at the West Point